Paranda Rubiano, total success. It had about, if I'm mistaken, according to the organizers, about 3,000 people in there. But I mean, it was good. Good party, good organized. Shout out to Cardi Bang, Edson Jr., Anthony. Hey, thank you, man. The Corazon, thank you so much. We had a ball. I had a ball for sure. Bradley too. And well, after about 5 years, I ain't gonna lie you, it did feel good. It did feel good because you know you have, like me, I have a lot of friends and things down in Holland and so on. Guys in there I went to school with, girls in there I went to school with, etc. You know, all them things, and then it was a good feeling to see them back, and then especially performing for them there in the cold, no? So it was good. It was very good. Well, you putting me on the spot here. No, joking. No, I want to thank first of all the Lord Almighty for the talent, and yeah. Again, thanks to Edson for sure that I can remember. Anthony also, Cardi Bang too, and the whole crew. Party guy Hoben, Masha Danki, the Corazon. The guy is young, hope he sabi, and to hope he drive, he was to push by the land.
Yeah, we just come from Holland, you know, we was invited for the Paranda Rubiano. Onda tabata ting yega Rubiano presente, ami ku Blackie, ku Galloway Jr., Jayon, ku Fusu Banda. It was algo otro for the look at Aruba Dak, but it was something, a nice experience we could say. All the Rubians were happy to see the local boys in town, and you know what I mean, bringing the nice sweet soca music, bringing that warmth from Aruba over there, and trust me, it was a nice trip. I sang 3 songs on my way. Mas must play.
Bom, seguro dat uma experiência ducha trove Holanda sempre público great. Me quero agradecer a organização, Anthony Arends, Cardi Bang, Edson Jr., danke pelo bom trato, ganham que é tremendo trabalho e me quero que saque algo para começar a situranha mas vai ser great, experiência tremenda. Bom, nós vai com minha banda e nós estava tendo uma surpresa para o público, nós apresentar de surpresa Irsais junto com o Quilate, nós cantamos cantiga junto para dar uma surpresa no pueblo de Aruba, Bibana, Holanda, que sei que até noite, amigo mi banda, então nós estamos tendo 2 surprises. Bom, seguro. Holanda pode esperar hopi de mim, aí que bem, maneira tu ainda sabe, também tomo break chiquito de isla na ABC e me também foco o rato riba Holanda também e produção internacional. O pueblo de Holanda pode esperar hopi de zomer aqui. Nós estamos top zomer aqui, nós temos diferentes prestações para o mundo, Hoofdstraten, nós estamos tocando na Alemanha também, fiesta na Espanha também. Que me turende que dependiente de zomer, nós estamos hopi na Holanda. Então, saludos para todos os que estão na Holanda. Olá, bless.